How to add meta tags in Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now here from the left hand side, we want to click on Pages and Menu, which is the third option, and just select the type of page which you would like to add meta tags for. For example, I'm going to do this about me page, and click on the three dots next to it once you hover over it, and choose the option for SEO Basics. Now right here you will see the SEO Basics setting, but we want to go to Advanced SEO. And right here you will see robots meta tag as well as additional tags. So if we click on robots meta tag, then it will give us a drop down menu of tags we can select, which we can add to our Wix website. And then another thing, or another way of how we can add meta tags, is by clicking on additional tags right here. And then you will see the option to add a new tag at the very bottom. Once we click on it, then here's where we put our HTML code. So if we paste the meta tag in HTML format, we'll be able to click on apply here, and this will add meta tags to our Wix website. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.